Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a Sinbono update. Yes, you heard that right. I have received the Ivory Amelia bag, and I have taken her for a spin now for 3 days, and she's doing a-okay. Unlike her predecessor, the Amelia bag in ice blue. You might notice that these bags are a little bit different in terms of the vegan leather. The Amelia bag in the ice blue is shinier than the Ivory, which has a much more matte finish. I thought that was interesting. It has nothing to do with the durability of either one of these bags, because on the vegan leather bits, they seem to be equally durable. I have no issues with either one on the vegan leather. But I thought I would point that out. If you don't like a more patent look, the Ivory is definitely more of a matte finish. And I do think that that is quite beautiful. The issue I had with the ice blue was the glazing. And let me grab the strap. I want to do a demonstration for you. So if you look here, you'll see that after using the Amelia bag in ice blue for a matter of minutes, I had some major issues with the glazing becoming gunky and mottled and just not good. And I can just show you, I'm going to take my fingernail and I'm going to just dent it more. You see that? I just did that with my fingernail, those 3 marks right there. This glazing is not solid. It's kind of like Play-Doh consistency. And so when you use this bag and the glazing is rubbing against metal or whatever, my fingernail, it becomes very ugly and may end up transferring onto your clothing because it is a little bit sticky. When I got the Amelia bag in the ivory color, I noticed right away that the glazing feels totally different. It almost has a dry feeling to it. It is not as thick, and I've been using it for 3 days now, and I've had this chain on. The strap has been rubbing on this right here, and I'm not seeing any issues. And if I try to dent it, like I just did on the other one, it doesn't dent. It's just a completely different ball game. So my honest review is that I do like the Amelia bag. I am bummed that my blue one had an issue because that is my favorite color in this bag, but the Ivory is beautiful and I'm happy to have it. I have it paired with a beautiful chain from Samorga, but Sinbono does have a gorgeous oval link chain like this that's just a little bit longer, so you could use it as a shoulder strap. There's not enough of a drop with my strap to use it comfortably as a shoulder strap, so this is purely for decoration purposes. I do have her fully loaded. I've got 1 pouch, which I combined my 2 pouches into 1 pouch. I've got my medicine pouch, my key fob, my AirPods case. I got rid of my card holders. I've got some papers here and 3 credit cards. And then I'm using these 2 little pouches from Suni Bag & Bag to keep all my other cards organized. And then I do have an envelope with some cash in it. But I still have room for my phone in there. It will fit in there with no issue. It closes great with their double magnetic closure and opens easily as well. I really like that about this bag. So I would give the Ivory Amelia a thumbs up and recommend it to anybody out there who likes this style and would like to purchase this bag from Sinbono. And the last time I checked, this bag was under $100. So it's a great deal, and they're always running promotions, even giving away free bags when you purchase a bag. So I say jump on it if you like this style. I also like how it feels. It's very nice to the touch. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel plasticky. It's just a very nice, smooth feeling with, of course, a little bit of ridging on it from the Croco print, but it feels really good. Now onto the Vienna bag. I told you in a previous video, I'm going to tell you again, this bag wore great. I took it to soccer games. I took it to the sporting goods store. I took it to the grocery store. It rode in the cart. It sat on the bleachers. It does not have a blemish on it. It is really in perfect condition, just like I received it. There's no chipping on the zipper pulls, even though I did have to open and close it. I did find that I preferred to leave it open, and what I would do is just leave it open just a little bit so I could grab my card case out. I don't find this style as convenient as I do the Amelia bag because you have to open this up and unzip it if you want full access. So for me, I prefer the Amelia style. This style I paired with one of my Samorga shoulder chains because I like carrying this on the shoulder. It does come with a thin crossbody strap that's curb style, so it's flat and it's relatively comfortable, even though it's not a very wide chain. But like I said, I do prefer to carry it on the shoulder. I'm considering giving this one away just because for me, access issues may limit the amount that I use it. I just don't like that you have to take so many steps to get into the bag. You've got to open it like this, then you've got to unzip it like this, then you got to unzip it like that. I think I would almost prefer the Sinbono shoulder style that has a chain that attaches like this because it only has one zipper. And so this part's not in the way. It's spread out. There's a chain. I'll pop a picture of it in right here. So this Vienna style I think would be more convenient because it doesn't have the double zipper. I do like the double zipper on some of my bags, but this is just hard for me to get in and out of. The leather on the smooth Vienna bags is very, very soft to the touch. And again, I said leather, but I mean vegan leather. This leather is made out of fruit waste as well as recycled plastic bottles. It's quite hard to believe based on how it feels. It is extremely soft. I've had people tell me that when they get vegan leather bags that the smell is terrible. These have a very faint scent, almost not at all, just a tiny, tiny scent. And I can't smell it right now with it this close to my face. I have to actually touch my nose to it to smell it. So that gives you an idea of how much odor it does have. But I am considering doing a giveaway for this. I probably will wait just a bit since my 3,000 subscriber giveaway is coming up so quickly. And of course, I've got 3 items for that giveaway already. I have the Dress Up Your Purse lambskin clutch. I've got the bag from See-Through Purses, the purple camera bag with a strap that coordinates. And then I have the Longchamp E-Cut backpack. I think that I'm saying that right. Don't come for me if I pronounced it wrong, but it looks like iCat and it's a tribal pattern. So I've got those 3 items for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So I don't want to give this away just yet. I want to save it for another special occasion. But let me know if you'd be interested in this bag being a future giveaway. So I would say that these 2 bags get a double thumbs up from me. I would recommend either one of them. The prices are amazing. And so if you're looking for something very stylish that feels good, that is very functional, and that doesn't cost a lot, I would recommend Sinbono. And then an added benefit is that these are cruelty-free. If you have any trouble with your bag, Sinbono customer service is excellent. They will get right on it and fix the problem. And that's not the case with all these brands out there. There are some brands that are highly promoted by influencers where if you have a problem and try to contact the brand, they ignore you. And that's not the case with Sinbono. So just know you would be well taken care of if you did have any issues, but it looks like they are managing the issue that I had with my ice blue Amelia bag quite well. They pulled it immediately. They checked their stock. They figured out there was a problem and they contacted customers to fix the problem. I don't think it can get much better than that. If you have one of these bags and have had an issue with it, make sure to contact them. They told me to tell you that so that you can get yourself a new bag. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase, all one word in the search bar, and I'll pop right up. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.